back to Chocolate Bunny channel. If you're new to my channel, girl, welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button, girl, if you haven't already. But anyway, you guys, this says what my daughter got for her birthday. So if you want to see what she got for her birthday, go ahead and continue watching. Okay, let's jump right into this. And she got her little Justice bag. Let's see.
So I got these Justice jogging pants, and like where it says Justice is like colorful and stuff. So just these cute black and like colorful jogging pants.
And y'all, these pants was 26. How much it was? These are Justice Active pants, and they was $26.90. Y'all, normally I try to catch sales with Justice, but they didn't have a sale. Well, they had a sale going on, but it was like you get 3 tops for $10 each.
So I got this hoodie sweater, whatever you call it, and it says "Be Unique." And yeah, it's just this crazy goat unicorn. And got these glasses, and it's cute. It's super cute. It's gray and colorful like the glasses.
Yeah, different colors. And the hood on it. And this was like $26.90. Y'all, Justice is just like our Victoria's Secret pink store for grown women, but
next is I got this gray shirt with like unicorns, and it's like pink and purple, and it's super cute, and it was $9.90.
well, I think this one was on sale for $7. It was on sale for $7.90, but it retails for $9.90 with these unicorns all over it.
Next is I got these super cute unicorn socks with the little wings. It's like purple and pink and stuff.
These are super cute. Actually, her dad ended up seeing these first, and he was like, "Oh, she ought to get these." And I was like, "Yes, we had to get these." Oh, and they're like a sequence. Y'all probably can't see it good in the camera. And these was like $6.90. So cute, and it got Justice at the bottom of the sock.
Next is I got this shirt. It's like a unicorn, and it's like the unicorn doing a dab, and it says Dabacorn right there.
Oh, I didn't know it said that. That is so cute. And this shirt but these was one of the shirts in the pile. This shirt retails for like $12.90. And it's so cute, y'all. It is so cute. As y'all can tell, she's into unicorns.
And it's like
sequins.
Yeah, sequins and color.
Hold it up, right? It is cute. And it got like and she just snap it on. I like little jewelry like that. It was easy. That's cute. That's very cute. And what's the next thing?
Next is I got this choker. It's Justice choker. It's like
Over.
And it's black, and it's got
The other one got this. It came with 2.
necklace.
And that retails for like. And it got the little diamond. That's so cute.
It's $5.90. That was the last item from Justice. Just got the stickers.
And they gave her some stickers. Last time she had got a free cup. They do have like free gifts, like Victoria's Secrets give you like after you spend so much, but they didn't really have much going on today. You can go ahead and go to the next one. She got her shoes, and we purchased these at I got these at city gear.
So I got these nerds. It says box, but I got these like
She had to get these, guys.
Harachis.
These pink Harachis. I think they've been out, but they just super cute. And here, and this light is showing us just. They are very cute. Sorry, guys, if you could hear my son. But these are. I'm trying to get it right for you guys, so you kind of can see it right now. I put my hand over the light. But yeah, look how pretty those are. They like sequins. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And y'all, I think these was like $70 for her size. Yeah, girl, y'all already know. The older they get, the more pricey the shoes get. Okay. And the last item, next item,
It's from Claire's. I just got this.
She got an iPhone, what,
6S in the color of
6S.
gold.
And we picked up this case from Claire's.
It's
I need the color.
bunny, like chocolate bunny.
And it's so cute, y'all. This was so cute. And it got the little fuzzy ball on it. Y'all, and this was like $14.99. Yeah, I know, y'all. But it was so cute. So I had to get this for her. Cute. This is so cute. Yep, and that was, well, this not gonna go, well, it's not. We got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. Had a sale, guys, like they always do. You get 3 free. The French lavender and honey. It smells so good, y'all. Y'all, and I was kind of like in a rush. It was so packed. So I really was just picking random stuff. So I got the French lavender. And I also got the spray as well. Then I have another one. You're just going to give it out. I think I got another one. And I got the spray. It smells so good. I was looking for the peach, but I didn't want to get back out of line. And also I got another French lavender. And I got the 1,000 Wishes. Bath and Body Works. And it smells good. You could smell the lavender. It smells good. Okay. And I also got the French lavender. I also got the French lavender body wash. And also I picked up the Hello Beautiful spray, body spray. For fragrant mist. And this smells good. I like this. Give it a nice perfume feel. And also, guys, I picked up some hand sanitizers. I wanted a candle, but I ain't had the candles on sale, but it's cool. I'll go back and get some candles. I got the Bride and Tribe sanitizer. I got the Sweet Pea sanitizer. Also, I got the Mermaid Life sanitizer. Also, the mango and dragon fruit. And we also picked up the cucumber and melon. So yes, guys, that completes our Kai birthday haul. If you enjoy stuff like this, y'all know my birthday will be up soon. So hopefully I will have a haul for you guys. But yes, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.